This bird maestro doesn't need ears. Imagine a bird that not only sings but can steal the sounds of nature itself. So, the El Mimus polyglottos, better known as the Mockingbird, boasts an incredible auditory talent. Yet, it's not just the usual bird songs in its repertoire. Indeed, it can mimic over 200 sounds, from car alarms to the melodies of fellow birds. As a result, this cunning creature deceives even the sharpest listeners in the wild. Astonishing, right? It raises a big question. What's the most unexpected sound you've ever heard imitated? Share your unique experience with us.